In the automotive industry, there are a lot of things that have to happen in order to get to the final assembly of the vehicle. Individual parts have to be made. For example, where I work, we do plastic injection molding of a lot of exterior components of the vehicles. And there are lots of different people that perform different roles in the plant in order to make sure everything runs smoothly. We have people in warehousing and inventory who handle the raw material coming in and the finished good going out. We have people in quality doing regular checks, looking for defects, making sure that nothing that is unacceptable to the customer leaves the building. We have the engineers who design everything and modify it as needed. We have the process people who make adjustments to the plastic injection molding machines, to the robots, and to the tooling to keep everything running smoothly. Obviously, we have the operators who take the parts off the line, inspect them as they go, package them up, and make sure all the packaging is properly labeled. And then there's me, maintenance, who handles breakdowns and keeps everything running smoothly. We all perform a role to get the job done. From time to time, we're asked to go outside of our normal role and do something that we don't normally do. In this case, I'd like to share with you some footage of the one and only time they asked me not to do maintenance, but instead go onto the line and run parts on the machine.